Hello guys, I'm Vartika. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm up with a video on a Forever 21 haul. So recently, actually not recently, I should have done this video long ago, but I did not do it because I did not get the time for it. I went shopping to Forever 21, that is in Saharaganj Mall in my city. So I went there for shopping on Tuesday last week. But since then I've not been able to get the time to shoot a haul video for this because of the fact that I have been very busy with other college shopping of mine, so that's why I just did not get the time to do that. Finally I got the time on the weekend to shoot this video, so here I am. And I think without any further delay, let's get to the video and see what all I've bought. Okay, so first of all, I bought two bottoms. First are these black shorts. I did not have black high-waisted shorts in my wardrobe, and I really think that it's a basic necessity for every girl to have black shorts. So this is the first thing that I bought. Secondly, I got this really smart military print skirt. I find military prints really very smart, and they give a very chic and bossy look. So I bought this skirt from Forever 21. Next I got two bodysuits. First bodysuit is this black one, and the second is this really cute silly yellow bodysuit. It has Mickey Mouse printed all over it. I think a lot of you must know what bodysuits are, but for those of you who do not know what bodysuits are, they look like swimming costume. I mean, they're shaped like swimming costume, but they are not swimming costumes. These are tops that are meant to be tucked in when you wear them, and they are made like this so that when you bend or to pick up something or move around a lot, you uplift your hands or something like that, so that these tops do not come out the way it generally happens when we tuck in tops. So that's what is the purpose of a bodysuit. I really wanted a bodysuit for a long time, so finally I got these. Next I got this spaghetti sleeves grey crop top. I love spaghetti sleeves, so I found this very pretty, and I don't know, for some reason I like these stripes that come in the end of the tops and stuff, so I think this is really cute. Next up, I got a really cute night suit from Forever 21. These are the shorts. These are baby pink shorts with white and black hearts printed on it, and this is the top that is accompanied with it. It says "Late Night Babe." I really found this night suit so cute, and it was like perfect for me. Next, I got two party dresses, and coincidentally both of them are in different shades of pink. So first one is this cute short dress. I don't know what this shade of pink is called, but I like to call it dusty pink. So this is the color. This is the first dress that I got, and then this is the next dress that I got from Forever 21. This is a bodycon dress. I really found this so gorgeous. This was amazing. Coincidentally, they are both pink, though what used to happen initially was that I always used to end up getting black dresses. I have so many black dresses in my wardrobe, and this is the first time that I have had pink dresses in my wardrobe, and I really love these dresses. I think they are so cute and pretty. Okay, I also got two belts from Forever 21. One is this black belt. I really like this belt because, I don't know, this is maybe kind of dressy or something like that. And next is this leopard print dress. I love animal prints, so this belt just got my heart in the first time, so I bought this straight up. I also got three hair accessories. First is this cute hairband. The main reason I got this hairband was because that this is also in leopard print, and the belt I got is also in leopard print. So I don't know, I thought I'll club them up and wear in an outfit. So this is the hairband that I got. I got this set of hair clips. These are pearl studded hair clips. I think they look so beautiful. I don't know, I just really love these hair clips, and I find them very classy. The third one that I got is this huge red bow hair clip. I don't know. This hair clip just says for itself. This looks so amazing, and it's gonna look so good when you put it in a bun or maybe tie your hair at the back and put it as an accessory. This is going to look such a statement to your hair. So this has all my heart. Next, I got 4 makeup box necessities. I mean, that's what I would call them. First of all, this is a brush set. This is a set of 5 brushes. I do not have makeup brushes so far. I used to share my mom's brushes. So this is the brush set that I got for myself. Then I got this eyelash curler. This is such a necessity for me. I love applying mascara, so I think if you like applying mascara, you should have a eyelash curler as well. Then I got this cute makeup sponge. This is a very nice makeup blender. It has this rainbow colored stripes in it, and it really looks so cute. Then another thing that I got is this small detangler brush. This is the back of it actually. This, I don't know, this has this golden back, so it really attracted me. Other than that, such brushes are really important to keep in your bag or maybe in your makeup box or something like that. So yeah, so I got this detangler brush for myself. Next, I got this cute mask from Forever 21. This is a white mask which has colorful birds printed on it, and it also has a band where you can attach this mask to. It looks so good, and especially in today's time when we really need to use masks everywhere we go. So I think that having such pretty masks is also a necessity, I guess. Then the last thing that I got from Forever 21 is a thing which nobody would actually expect to buy from Forever 21 or would plan on taking from a store like that. I bought this loofah from Forever 21. I know this perhaps sounds silly, but it really looks so good. I was really attracted by the color of this loofah, and it also had this cute strawberry over it. So I really liked this loofah, and I do need it for my daily bathing purposes. So I bought this from Forever 21. I also got 2 things from the brand Chumbak. Chumbak is one of my favorite brands in the world, and I love visiting their stores. I think that their stores are so full of life, and they are totally different. They're totally amazing. So I always wanted to get a pillow cover from Chumbak for my dorm room in my college. So this is the pillow cover that I got. I think this is so pretty, and it has this India map and all the basic things of India. So I really think that this is so cute, and it gives such an Indian vibe. Next is this gorgeous white bag. It looks so amazing. It has this printing over here. Oh, actually, yeah, this is printing only. I think it looks so chic, and it has such a nice vibe attached to it. So I find this very, very smart. Alright guys, so that's the end of the haul. I hope you liked the stuff that I got. Also, if you're planning to go shopping these days, I really recommend you to go to Forever 21. Their stock right now is amazing. And also I've heard that a few days ago, I think 2-3 days ago, a sale has also started. So you might just end up getting a discount on a lot of things that you want to buy. All this that I got it for about 18,000 approximately. Yeah, I know it's a little on the higher side, but at the same time I think that it was worth it. I mean, I bought a lot of stuff, and it is obviously from a good brand. The quality is good. The things were the things which I really wanted to buy. So I think it was all worth it. I had a great time shopping, and I hope you like the stuff that I got. Let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite product, and also if you would like to watch more haul videos perhaps. And I'll see you people next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, and okay, I'll see you later. Bye bye.